everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm super excited because for Ipsy, this arrived early. Well, at least for me. It arrived today, Tuesday, December the 13th, the same day as my BoxyCharm. So I am filming midweek, which is always a fun roller coaster ride. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, just some mascara. I actually did my brows and a lip gloss. Oh, and then some concealer. That's it. No blush, no contour, no eyeshadow. But what that can potentially do is if I get any makeup in here, I can try it on my face. By the way, this weighs a ton. I feel like there's a huge box in here. A tub of body lotion or a hair mask. I don't know. But enough speculating. Let me grab my app, because we all know what my memory's like, and dive into this bag. If anyone's new to what Ipsy is all about, Ipsy is a beauty subscription which costs $28 a month. And there's a $1.99, $2 handling fee. So if you just consider it like a $30 a month beauty bag, you do get to select 3 of the 5 items you receive. So that way you can hopefully pick products you will love and enjoy. Now, what I find interesting is at the bottom of this bag is a mystery chunk of plastic. I don't know what this came from. I guess we'll find out if one of my products is missing something. It's been a long time since I actually put the products in my bag, but here they are all in the bag this month. A very interesting color story for December. I'm getting like Valentine's Day vibes. It says, hooray. Oh, we'll pick up right there. And it's one of these, I don't know, I think they say cotton. It feels more like a polyester to me. Not my favorite type of bag, but I'm all about what's in the bag. All right, first item. Oh, okay, mystery solved. Why, Ipsy? It's a glass bottle with a cheap plastic lid. Why would you not put this in bubble wrap? So this came broken. What is this neon goo? All right. Oh, of course. So this is from Truly. It is a matcha scrubbed. It's a whipped face scrub with green tea, matcha, and dead sea salt. No safety seal. Of course, it looks, I don't know if it's supposed to be dry like that at the top or it's because it was cracked. Oh, joy. Look who gets to pen an email that will never get responded to about this product. Oh, Nola, I was going to put this in your box, but I can't now because it's broken. All right, what do they say that retails for? Okay, so it retails for $20. And by the way, this is super heavy because it is a glass bottle. And that is why my bag felt so heavy. All right, moving along to the next item. What do we have here? Now see, this is something in a box that probably didn't need bubble wrap. And I got bubble wrap. Ipsy, if you have a glass jar, put some bubble wrap. All right, so this here is from Ciate London, and it's the Glow 2 highlighter. Did I pick this? I can't remember. I know, it was like 10 days ago, but I can never remember what I picked. Yes, I picked this. Now, my choices this month were horrendous, meaning like they were repeat items or like choice 1 had a product that I kind of wanted, but then something similar was in choice 2. I want to say there was like 2 mascaras in one of the choices. Anyways, this highlighter I picked because there really wasn't anything else. And this packaging looks super fancy, like it'd have some weight, it'd be metal. No, it's plastic. It barely weighs anything. It does have the standard cute little white bow for Ciate London. All right. On camera, it's looking more champagne. In real life, let me turn it this way. It's a little yellowy, kind of golden. It is pretty with the embossing. I'm just going to swatch it. It's probably, yeah. It's very gold and yellow undertones. But It is what it is. All right. It's right there. My lights kind of wash stuff out, but trust me, it's kind of yellowy gold. I mean, it's doable, wearable-ish. I just prefer a more white and or champagne or kind of soft pink when it comes to my highlights. But a shade like that would look lovely on the lids. What, pray tell, does this retail for? Shall we play a guessing game? I'm going to say Ciate London. They're going to say like $26. Am I right? And the answer is, holy cow. I almost said 28. I'm like, nah, that's too much. This is $29. That price point, I don't know. For that, I would pick up, I don't know, something from Fenty or Ofra. All right. Did I warn you I'm filming midweek and you get extra cranky Julie midweek? All right, what else came in this bag? Holy cow. Okay, so this is what the large box I was feeling was. This item they actually put in the bag. I remember that because the brand is Berkey, and it is a vitamin C intensive face cream. I did not expect it to be this big. Or is this one of the times where the box looks really big, but the jar is going to be really tiny? Can you tell it's not my first time unboxing something? All right. The bougier the packaging, that usually happens. So here is the actual product. Here is the box. See what I mean? All right. Enough said. This is super bougie. It is a frosted glass and weighs like it has some weight to it. We get 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces. It has one of those little topper plastic doohickey mabobs. There is what the product looks like. I don't think. I'm not picking up a scent. If anything, it may just have like the ingredients and it smells kind of softly nice spa-like. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. It's kind of like a gel cream, kind of like a loose moisturizer mixed in one. Very lovely, very bougie. Let's see how bougie it is. Do I even want to try to guess? They probably told me. I don't know. I think it's going to be one that's $95 or higher. Oh, yeah, it's higher, all right. This is $116. Would I ever spend my own money on a product? I guess never say never, but probably not. But at least this, like, you feel like you're buying something that's $116, or sometimes, Avant, you get something in a plastic tube that's even more expensive. All right, and then the last item, again, we have bubble wrap when not really necessary. Well, no, it's a palette. It's necessary. All right, this here is also, wait, what? This is also from Ciate London. I don't know that I've ever had two products in a box, but the same brand before. And it's the Velvet palette. Ooh, hopefully it's some nice pinky mauves based off of the outer box packaging. This is nice. I like the size of this palette. It's like perfect, not too big, not too small. The back is metal. Much better packaging than that highlighter. All right, let's take a look at the color story. Very tiny pans, very narrow pans. It does come with a mirror, but those look beautiful and like a color story I would use, love, and enjoy. All right, here are the swatches. So there are some very lovely shimmers in here. Hopefully my lights aren't too bright. I love this color story. It is gorgeous, so much so I had to throw a look together on my face. And then I felt, wow, I look weird just having eyeshadow but no other products. So then I quickly toss on a little bit of BB cream, put some blush on, a little contour. I used the Ciate London highlighter. I ended up with a full look. What are your thoughts? So yeah, I did enjoy this eyeshadow palette. I think it is a lovely, if you like shimmery, warm, these kind of tones, I think you'll enjoy it. There was a little bit of glitter fallout. One of the shades, or is it this one here, has some sparkle. Not a kind of glitter where you would need glitter glue, but just very tiny. If you like a sparkle, you'll like that shade. It did have a little fallout, but hey, I am looking better than I did when I started filming this video. By the way, this eyeshadow palette retails for $20. I think that's very reasonable. Perfect size if you want to travel, in my opinion. Lightweight, not super cheap packaging. Like, it looks nicer than it probably actually is. And the pan sizes are a little small. They're a different shape. They're more rectangular. All right, and the last item, we have something from Kinship. It is Supermelt, which is a vegan lip jelly mask. Is it just like a lip moisturizer? Or when they say mask, is it something you have to wear at night? Oh, okay. Based off of the color, or is that just the packaging? It's a very pretty teal blue. Much smaller than the box. But let's see what the applicator's like. Okay, it's the squeezy kind that you just touch up to your lips. Is the product blue? Alright, you gotta squeeze really hard. Nothing's coming. Oh, there it goes. Oh, okay, no. So it's like a peachy color. I don't know if it'll pick up right there. Do you have a scent? I'm very congested. I think it does. Kind of like a soft, fruity. Don't quote me. Let's add more to my face, because why not? Lovely. Not sticky. All right. What is with these lip masks? I got a non-lipstick lip gloss. Well, it's kind of like a lip gloss. Anyways, I got another lip product for hydration in my BoxyCharm. All right. Ipsy, what do you say that this is valued at? Better not be more than $15. It's $18, and it's coming back to me. This is something I actually selected. The reason I selected it is because there wasn't anything else I needed or wanted. Something will float on screen. I'm telling you, the choices this month were horrendous. Because if I'm picking a lip mask or like a lip balm type product, you know they aren't good. All right, let's recap everything I got in the December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got the Truly Whipped Face Scrub, the Cat Berkey Vitamin C Moisturizer, got an eyeshadow palette from Ciate London, the Glow 2 highlighter from Ciate London, and a lip jelly mask from Kinship. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I've received worse bags, but I've received a lot better. This is okay-ish. I'm super disappointed that this was not protected and came broken. I'm excited. I love getting super bougie skincare. Don't ask me why. Weighty, hefty, glass packaging, over $100. I don't know. There's something about, like, in a $30 bag, getting a $116 product that I would never purchase on my own. I don't know. It just brings me joy. This eyeshadow palette, is it the best? No. Is it the worst? Heck no. I thought the look I created was cute. So, yes, love a nice eyeshadow palette. This packaging is cheap, not the best shade. Yeah. I own 8 million highlighters. Again, I picked it because there was nothing else going on. This, I'm sure, is lovely. I will use it up. Do I like getting a lip balm, lip mask in a bag when I instead could get some nice skincare or better makeup? No. But hey, I will use it up. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Let's see how much this bag is if we were to take away the Cat Berkey product. Because at the end of the day, this one product is going to skyrocket the value. All right, I'm dying to hear what you think of my bag. Also, what did you get in your bag? Did you find that the choices this month were better for you? Not for me. And if they were, please let me know what you got, because I am always fascinated to see other people get different selection choices than I got. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.